All right, people, I got a update for DIS. So DIS is set up to test 112 to 113 next. The August 18 110 calls are great to use. Everything is going well and as planned. Wait for confirmation to get paid. There's some spelling mistakes here, but anyways, the beautiful thing about is that I do explain all the facts. Now listen, people, I've said this before that I didn't like the confirmation of my prior thing, but here's the facts, people. We are basing above the 106.65 pivot point, which is good. And I described this thing happening. So the earliest confirmation now, where we make the most money on these calls, will be waiting for confirmation. The more they want to chop this, they want to take another day or two or week, better for us. So pay attention to my confirmation, because confirmation will be key. And I'll make another one in case I don't like how this confirms. But I said this many times before, and we're going to take a look at the options, because I told people if you don't want to wait, you can jump in. But I did this as an educational purpose. Right now, DIS needs to break above 107.85 on some good action volume. And good action volume is 500K on a 10-minute chart. Now, I'm going to explain the video. Now, if the volume isn't there, as we're smashing through 107.85, we'll watch for basic level 107.85 and look through power through 108, through even 108.5. These are going to be key levels, okay? But when we confirm properly, the odds are we're going to make money. This stock's very choppy, but I predict that we're going to keep consolidating as long as we stay above the key pivot point of 106.65, and we break my key confirmation numbers. The odds favor you make money, and a good percentage, 100% minimum. Let's take a look at the options together. All right, people, here we are at the Yahoo Finance, and Disney closed at 107, and this is July 24th. Okay, here's the August 18 options up, and let's take a look at the 10 calls. As you can see, they're trading around, we'll say 85 cents. Now, they confirmed at a lower price point, but I didn't like the confirmation. I said people could go in, but I don't like it, and I did not go in. And to this day, you can see it's lower. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean that those people who bought at 105 won't make money. I just want to wait for confirmation. I wanted to show you that, what I said in my previous plans is bang on. Now, here's the beautiful thing is let's take a look at the sweet thing. Look at these options. Look at the open interest here. You see that? That's really good, right? You can see there's a lot to the put side. A lot to the put side. Not a lot, but in this case, it's very different for this stock. But what's interesting is there's good action happening in these 110 calls. All right, it's getting better and better and better. Even the 105s, these are the two sweet spots. Look at that, 105s over here, still. But a lot of trading happening here. And again, the video will have the price. Like I filmed this to demonstrate, to educate, right? Because my plans are powerful, people. I tell it how it is. There's nothing like what I do on YouTube or on Twitter or on anything. No one will be able to make plans as good as PowerTarget Trade, people. Nobody. Except someone who works with me as PowerTarget Trade. All right, people. Here we are. PowerTarget Trades, the place where I post powerful, detailed plan, such as the multiple Apple plans that I made. Listen, people, if you're a Disney long, you should check out my Apple plans. If you are looking to go long, you like my plan for DIS, I suggest you subscribe to my channel, because I do this for a lot of other stocks, whether it's the stocks to fall down like FedEx or QCOM. The key is, people, we wait for confirmation. We don't just jump in, we wait for the confirmation. But you want to know the facts? The facts are, when stuff confirms my plans properly, 80% of the time, greater than 80% of the time, you're making money. Sometimes small gains to very large gains. But the key is you're making more gains than losses. It's just a statistical fact, and I know this. And so will you if you study. Again, this is for the top 10% who want to be intelligent, who want to succeed in life. Most people are lazy. This is the truth. This is the facts. So I tell it how it is. All right, people. See the sign of PowerTarget Trade? It's going to appear here at the end of the video in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. There you have it, people. A special, powerful update for DIS. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and like. the video.